Hi, this is Dorothea from Med to Go with garden tips. Number 2. I got my garden in. I got all the flowers and vegetables in. And you see I put in a netting. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a netting so that I can keep the critters out. This year we're going to keep all of our vegetables. So we've got lettuce here and seeds on the side of the box, intermingled with watermelon, cantaloupe, and then we have the cherry tomatoes, we have basil, and we have the sun golds, and more basil, and we have green onions and red onions, and the big leafy tomatoes are on here on the end. So they're all in. I'm glad. I'm tired, and I'm gonna go inside before it gets dark. They've all been doused with beauty water, which is like 6.0 pH, and they're all ready for bedtime tonight, and they're ready to go. We'll see how they do. Bye-bye from Detroit live.